You definitely don't got that shit on cut. Like, you're not going outside like that.
She cannot come with. I just got
Bro, don't look at me like that, bro. Bitch, you don't want you if you wearing that bullshit, bro. Take that shit off.
Yeah, I'm that
bro.
nigga from the old.
Nigga, it don't matter if you smell that shit. It's not on you, bro. It don't fit.
You could catch the breeze, but it's
Nigga, you got one sleeve up. That ain't swag, bro.
big capping if you say that you didn't love me, little bitch.